Okay, hello guys. Today I want to introduce how we pack the grazing box. You see, this is the grazing box with the transparent window and the sauce cup holder. This is our best seller for the moment. This grazing box. Now I want to introduce how to pack. This is our packing. We pack these 10 pieces, a set, with the plastic bag. This is the base, and this is the cover. The cover with the insert, the cup insert. We use this set into cotton. You see, this is 10 pieces, 10 sets in cotton. This is the box SKU. Okay, thank you.